Hi guys, so today I'm back with another canvas painting video. So today I'll be painting on this homemade canvas of mine, and firstly I would like to tell sorry for the late upload because I have been busy with some other stuff. So this painting is basically based on a summer theme. So I'll draw some outlines of the objects which I'll be painting here. Today for the outline I have chosen a dark ochre color. So let's see how it turns out. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn a bit from this. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. So as this painting is summer theme, so I'll use colors like orange, red, bright yellow. So first I'll give the base of the canvas with yellow color. Then I'll use orange, then red, and then I'll blend them together here and there. And it's a abstract painting, so you can just be random with your painting, but make sure your blending is bit proper. First, I'm starting with the sun. So this is a sun which I have drawn in a bit abstract manner. So you can give your shading as you want. You can just use your creativity and put any strokes. I have used random strokes, circular strokes to give this effect. Now I'm using black acrylic color to border them and to brighten the edges. So you can use black or you can use any other dark color like dark brown. You can use that also. It's upon you, it's your choice. You can get random and creative with your choices. For blending, if you are not comfortable with your brushes, then you can use your fingers also. Because I think for proper blending in small edges, you can use your fingers very efficiently to give the proper blending effect. I'm putting some random designs on those rays of sun which I'm depicting here. First I thought to make it a bit worldly shaped, but then it came to my mind, so I did it. Here I'm painting the watermelon. So first I'll use a sea green, dark sea green color for the edge of the watermelon. Then I'm with white I'm blending it in. So my next upload will be a bit late again because I have some shifting work to be done. For that I need some time. So then I'll be back again with another painting video. I paint whenever I get time and I really enjoy painting because that makes me really happy. Here I'm painting some seeds of the watermelon, as you can see. Then with some light green color, I'm just dabbing just to give a texture to the watermelon edge maybe. Now I'm painting the pineapple, and after I don't know how you people will feel, but I really felt that in the whole painting the pineapple turned out to be a bit better than other objects in this painting because I really liked how it turned out actually. I'm using some dark ochre color and then I'm using some lemon yellow color and then I'll blend them together. Now I'm painting my summer drink, which I tried to depict here, but I don't know what it turned out because I went random with the colors here. I had no proper thinking on it what to apply, but I just put any color like yellow, pink. But I guess it will turn out okay. It will be fine, I guess. So, like here, I'll try to in the later part, I'll try to add some orange slice, then some orange peels, maybe. I hope it's much depictable. So, let's see. So here in this part, I tried to paint a coconut drink on inside the coconut itself. So first I painted with white and then I added my ochre color, dark ochre color. Then I'll start giving the details on it. This painting took me overall 5 hours, so you can just take your time and then paint, because if you want to paint at a go, then it may be tiring for you. So I took some rest in between and I again started painting. I took a bit of motivation, then I again started painting. So, and I told you before also, with acrylics you need to be you need to first complete the blending of a specific location in your painting, then complete it totally, then you can give it some rest, then only you can just take a bit of break, and then after that you can start. But if you don't complete a specific location and then you just stop it, then I think it will not turn out good. So this was just a personal opinion from my side. You can just paint as you wish. You can take your time, but I hope at the end of the day you want a better result. So I thought like this. Your thought can maybe different, but it may help you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, if you loved watching it, then please like it. And also, if you want to watch more stuff like this, you can also subscribe if you want. So, till then, bye. Take care.